Hey guys, it's Tyler here, and it's raining again. The rain stopped. Also, the rain stopped for a couple hours, and it's starting up again. The rain stopped for a couple hours, and it's starting up again. By the way, guys, I'm currently watching. Here's Looking at You, Warner Bros. And so far, it's a really interesting documentary. I'm watching it tonight. It's a pretty interesting documentary so far. I like it. Yeah. It's really similar to MGM's Greatest Moments. One of the only differences is it's actually from Warner Brothers this time. And yeah, we'll be getting a lot of rain tonight. Let me open up my window. Yeah, you can kind of hear it. Let me close it now. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye. And tomorrow sometime I'm going to do a movie review on it. I'm going to do a movie review on it tonight. Not tonight. I meant tomorrow night. Hopefully. And good night, everybody. And yeah, good night, everybody.